Welcome back to another episode of Golden Key Design. In this episode, we're going to take this turquoise mess and turn it into this clean design. Stay tuned to find out how we did it. As you can see, this bathroom has good bones, but we really need to get rid of this color. So the first step is painting. We began taking everything off the walls to get ready for paint.
Jesus.
It's a door knocker.
Should we put it on the front door?
Purple.
Shut up. Oh yeah.
Look at, they just screwed this into the drywall. There's nothing, they didn't screw it into anything. I think we should put a piece of wood here and then just put these on that wood, paint the wood white or something. They decided to paint over the piece. Why? Who like goes to the paint store and is like, yeah, I want turquoise for the bathroom, like as bright as you can make it.
Like if I accidentally bought this paint, I would literally pay another $50 for another can.
We got duration because it's a bathroom and there's going to be a lot of moisture in the air. So this is particularly good for areas that will be in contact with water. Oh, we need to stir it. Can I stir it? So stirring sticks need to be 3 feet long. I was gonna say, we could just leave this room white based on what the primer looks like. So I think this is good that it's very similar to a white.
I don't want the room to be white.
No, it's good that it's slightly blue, but like, I think it's good that it's ever so slightly blue, not that apparent. So we're now going to mount the mirror. This is a bit convoluted of a way to do this, but they're saying use this template and then drill your holes somewhere in this box in each of the corners. You ideally would find a stud, but you didn't. Well, the stud's like here and here, so we're gonna use anchors, but it should be fine. But we drill through here first, then we take this and put it on the back of the mirror. And unfortunately, the mirror doesn't have any pre-drilled holes, so we have to drill holes then, according to this, back onto the mirror and then mount the mirror up. So it's kind of a long process, but that's what you get. And it's a Kohler product. You think Kohler would have like a slightly better system, but I guess not. You know? This is where we want it, right?
Yeah. I didn't like how it was earlier. It was too high.
There we go. Alright, so now we're going to be putting in these drywall anchors. Each of these is good for like 75 to 50 pounds, so I think the mirror might be 30, maybe 40, but we're putting 4 of these, so it should be more than enough. And you don't technically need to drill holes for these, but I like to tend to drill them out just so it goes in a little bit easier. Oh, it's actually just plastic. It's not even metal. So we cut it like that. So we're gonna place this side down. Now it's time to start building the towel rack and shelving above the toilet. We were able to reuse the hooks that the previous owner had left, saving us a little bit of money, albeit with some turquoise remnants. So clean. You should be able to line.
Very nice.
Wait, look. How does this happen?
Is there a knob up there?
No, I just Wait, can I see it before you put it on? Pull it. There's a screw.
Okay.
So unloose that. I'll tighten it in and then.
Dude, come on.
And that's a wrap on this project. The only items we bought for this project were the mirror for about $100, the paint for about $40, and the brackets above the toilet for about $10. So in total, we only spent about $150. We have many other DIY projects on our channel, including a media center build, installing new flooring, adding crumble into your kitchen cabinets, and many more. So go ahead and check those out too, if you're interested. We also have an Instagram and a TikTok if you want to follow along for even more updates. Thanks for watching, and happy building.